Hi, welcome to MktMetrics Morning. I'm Doug Gale. I'll be your host today. Just suppose for the moment you know what the exchange insiders know. MktMetrics does. It's important for you to know what the specialists and market makers are currently doing with their inventory. What do you say we take a look? We begin Wednesday's trading by examining the Dow, and we notice that the Dow trend is falling once again, 26% versus 29% the previous day. The Dow momentum is falling as well, 26% versus 39% the previous day. The Dow volatility, however, is rising, 0.62% from 0.39% the previous day. The Dow 50-day net change is rising, negative 1067 versus a negative 1152. Let's take a deeper look into what the smart money is currently doing with their inventory. As we begin today's trading, we notice that the exchange insiders inventory decreased to a negative 10% versus negative 5% the previous day. Institutional money flow falling 23% from 32%. Institutional demand falling 31.2% from 41.1% the previous day. Institutional inventory falling 33.5% from 40.3%. Institutional accumulation distribution trend fell negative 32% versus negative 20% the previous day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed Tuesday negative 4.37% below its falling 21-day moving average, as opposed to negative 2.61% the previous day. The Dow trend changed directions to down from up on Tuesday, January 15th. Our thinking is that this is a temporary situation and might go higher if today closes on a positive note. Time will tell. The 50-day net change has reached historic levels on the downside, representing an oversold condition. The Dow Jones Industrial Average outlook is near sellout levels and actually has improved the past couple of days. MktMetrics reading is proposing 97% possibility of being up today. The stock market, therefore, is at a pivotal point, which could surprise today. Let's see what happens. In the meantime, let's take a look at the outlook for both the Dow and the stock market as a whole. We begin today's trading by noticing that the Dow outlook is bearish yet unchanged at 27% versus 27% the previous day. Stock market outlook bearish, falling 20.3% versus 31.5%. The Dow has a probability of closing up Wednesday of 53%. And this could be enhanced, as I mentioned, because the DIA, which stands for the Dow 30 Exchange Traded Fund, Diamonds, has a probability of closing up Wednesday of 97%. We're doing much better with our next day's advanced market decisions, nightly ideas published each and every night at 11 o'clock. Tuesday's results, we notice that after beginning on December 17th, 07, beginning balance $1 million, we're playing catch-up. Yesterday's results, account value 966,967, which was up 1410 from the previous day. I'm Doug Gale. I'm not always right, just very seldom wrong. Please visit me daily, because I do post daily, 7 days a week,